Hey guys, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and today I'm going to do a review of an app called Quillaio, and it's a very special app because it lets you create affiliate review articles on full autopilot. So before I just made this video, I was doing a review on it. I was going through it in depth and I've put that review together. You will watch it right next. But I was quite impressed by the kind of articles it writes because it can write really relevant, high quality articles that you have seen on high quality affiliate review sites, and it can work with absolutely any niche. You can create reviews of physical products, you can create reviews of digital products, any niche, any product. It's easy to use, and in fact in my review I'm going to show you some real tips of how you can use to maximize your returns from it. I'm going to give you my insights into this, and also by the end of it, if you decide to pick it up, I want you to make sure that you pick it up from my link because I've set up a special bonus for you. Here is what I will do for you. If you get Quillaio from my link, I'm going to set up your entire blog. That's right, Quillaio needs a blog, a website where you will be able to post your affiliate reviews. And if you don't have one today, you can come to me, you can tell me, hey Cyril, I want you to set up an affiliate review site. My team will do that for you. They will install WordPress for you. They will install the theme that you've selected. They will connect it to Quillaio and get it working for you. And if you don't have a domain, if you don't have a hosting, we can help you get it. Of course, you can get it from us for a very good price, but we can also help you get it from other sources too. We will guide you, we will hold your hand and make sure that your review site is up and running in no time at all. Usually people charge upwards of $197 to do that kind of service, and if you're not a technical expert, you will typically have to go out and find a freelancer who will do this for you. But if you get Quillaio from me today, all this is done for you. So let's go to the review and take a look at Quillaio and see how the tool works. This is Quillaio. I've logged in, and right after you log in, we have Joshua Zamora right here in person. And
Hey
this
guys,
is
Josh Zamora here, and if you're watching
this is a welcome screen. Now in the tutorial section, I actually saw a great tutorial for Quillaio, and you can view them. You can look at all these tutorials to learn how it works. Now I recommend before you get started, please look at the tutorials. If you look at the tutorials, your journey will be so much easier and you will be able to understand how to make it work better. To get started, we need to go to the article section. This is where we will write the actual reviews. Now we don't have anything yet because we just got into the software. And to write your first article, click on the plus button right over here. This will show you this pop-up which has everything you need to write a great AI review. The first thing, you need to select what kind of review you want to work on. So you have many options. Like Quillaio gives you about 6 7 different options. I have the best plan, I have the topmost plan, so it unlocks all the options for me. Now if you are not getting some of the options, please consider upgrading to a higher plan. If you buy the bundle, you will get all of these options. So what you see here depends on the version that you've got. You have many options like best X for Y for dummies, and I will talk about each of these options a little bit later. Let's start with the first one, in fact, and let's see it in action. So best X for Y is used to write articles like best 10 capsule brands for your Nescafe coffee machine, for example, or best accessories for your treadmill, or whatever you want to put in. So you can do articles like best X for Y. So you need to specify a subject that is best X for Y. Let's get started with this one, best X for Y, and put in a topic that matches this. So I'll go with the first one that I thought of, best Nescafe, best coffee capsule brands for your Nescafe coffee machine. This is the subject. Now this will typically be the input that you need to give it to decide what's the title of the article. The software might change the title to make it more catchy, but you can put in anything that you want right over here. Next, choose the language. Now from this selection, I can see that there is quite a large selection of languages available to you. I expect it uses GPT in the backend, so that gives you a lot of different options. You can work with Avestan, Afrikaans, Akan. Like, you can take your picks. I'm going to go for English for now. And then you can also select the word count of the article. Now let me give you an update. This word count maximum availability also depends on the version of Quillaio that you have. If you got a lower version, entry level version, then you might get a lower word limit. But if you got the professional version or the better version, you can go all the way up to 1800. With the bundle version, you can go all the way up to 1800. Then you can select primary keywords. If you're doing SEO, if you are creating these articles with an SEO mindset and you want to actually target a keyword, you can put that in. Now, I don't think you really need to. The job is done already in the title, so you don't really need to, but go ahead if you want to target a particular keyword, put that in. And you can also target a secondary keyword. So the secondary keyword will be in different parts of the articles, but the primary keyword, the software will try to put in headlines and all the important places so that you get the best output. Now you can of course promote your affiliate link. That's the entire idea. I don't have an affiliate link for coffee machines, so I'm just going to go for techniforce.com. But here, this is here where you will be putting in your affiliate link. Now I want to tell you this: the article will be posted to WordPress. You need to have a WordPress site for this, or you will need to copy over the content manually and post it to any other content management system that you might have. Now, the important thing is it's not important or it's not vital to post the links right from here. I want to tell you that if you want to make money online, if you want to really succeed online, you must never be looking for a quick fix solution. So if you're creating this article, don't hesitate from going to the article itself and then editing it and putting in your links in a nice way, putting in multiple products. Let's say if you're doing a 10 product review, then putting in multiple products and putting in the links to all of those products that you can provide an affiliate link to. So I would do that, and I expect this is the way to make better income online. So I would say don't hesitate from that. Now, if you let this product add authority links, it's going to add links from authority websites into the article. Now, this is something that might happen if you give it data sources too. Typically, I would not want to do that because authority links is only for the reader. The reader might or might not click on it and go away from your site. It's not really going to add a lot. But if you don't add it, I don't think it's taking away anything from your review. It's perfectly fine to push a review without linking to any authority site. Now, images is something different. I would typically like to add images, so I would turn it on and it will create images and post it to your article. So that's a good thing. And of course, you have full control. Once the article is posted, you can remove the images that you don't like. Next, you can specify data sources. Now, the data sources could be articles that people have written on this topic, and you can use them as sources. So, for example, this one, best coffee capsule brands for your Nescafe. Well, I don't know about any particular article that does this, but let me put that in: best coffee capsule brands for Nescafe. Let's see what we get. So there are some videos. By the way, this software supports using videos. So you can use a YouTube video as a data source. Again, this depends on whether you got the top version or not. Now I have the top version. If you get the bundle, you get it. So you can add it. You can add a secondary source also. It could be another video or maybe even an article. So I particularly like Quora. Quora is a really good source of information. Or Reddit. Reddit is a great source of information, always the best source when it comes to organic and real information. So I'll just put URL this time and put in the link. Now you can also put in a PDF. So if you got a book or something or an ebook, you can just put it up as a source. Then finally click on create and it's going to work. Now this can take some time, could be about 10 to 15 or 20 seconds. So you got to wait. I'll just resume the video once it's written. All right, so this is the final article right over here. You can see the headline's pretty nice. The ultimate guide to Nescafe capsules. Top picks for your Nescafe coffee machine. Actually quite targeted. I like it. Now, the article itself is very nice. I just read through it before I resumed the video. It's written in a very nice manner. The images are not coming in, and I guess the software is an evolution. Of course, when it hits the market or it evolves, it will become better at image creation. But for now, I think you can solve this problem. You can easily go to something like DALI and create an image if you want to, or you can find images from Google. I'm going to show you a way to find images. Nescafe coffee capsule, and click on images right over here. It will show you all sorts of options. Now, most of these are product images. It could be okay to use them if they're on sites like Amazon or Carrefour or any of those websites, because these photographs are usually taken by companies who put them out for use by everyone. So don't use images like this one that look a little bit modified, that are customized, because that might attract a copyright issue. But generic images like this one or this one, perfectly fine to take them and put them in your review, because everyone has access to them as they are done by the company itself. So that's the one way to get the image. That's a problem solved. Now next, notice that it actually put a link. So when you mouse over on it and when you click on it, this is the affiliate link that I put in, and it put the link in the article. So you have that over here. It put there in multiple places, of course. So when people come to the article, they can actually find the link and go to your article, go to your affiliate link, and then discover the product. So it recommended some specific products like Bianco Forte, Piccolo capsules, and Chiaro capsules. So there are multiple brands. Now, typically, what I would do in addition to putting a link over here is put a link on the product itself. So this is something you will do in WordPress. Publish the article. The article is well written. It saved you probably hours, because if you are not an expert writer, you will have to research and do things. It did all that research for you based on the videos and the sources that you gave it, and it's written the article. So go into WordPress, publish it, then highlight these links, highlight these brand names, and point them to your affiliate links, because people would click on these and they would make the sale. This is the keyword with buyer intent, and I would say totally and absolutely use them. If you're running an affiliate site, always link up the product name. That's the best strategy, and try to get the affiliate links for all the products that you can. Of course, you'll be working in your niche or domain, so I would think you would see the products that you can actually sell. Now, this is done. I can close this, and the article is added over here. You want to publish it to WordPress. For that, you need to go to this plugin section. There will be a plugin that you can download, and you need to install it in your WordPress. Once you've installed the plugin, then you'll be able to publish the article directly. In the tutorial side, there is a great tutorial that shows you how to use the plugin and post it. So just watch that and you will know. Let's go back to articles and try creating another article. This time, let's try a For Dummies review. Now, a For Dummies review will be kind of like the books that you saw earlier. They were like a famous book series for dummies. It's not an insulting term anymore. It's for people who are absolute newbies. So you could put in a review about a product which will make sense to newbies. And let's try that next. So I have selected my title, Nescafe Dolce Gusto Machine for Dummies. So this is a famous Nescafe machine for coffee, and this article could train people about how to use it, and I would put my affiliate link promoting this machine and getting sale for it. So this time I will target about 600 words, perfectly fine. Primary keyword, Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Again, put in your link. Do not add authority links. I don't want that. Add images didn't work very well last time, so I will ignore that. Now it does need to get to know about Dolce Gusto machine. So I'll just put that exact term and I'll put guide in there. So let's find a good article that we can kind of use as an influence, not the instructions manual, maybe something better. This video is great. I could probably use that. So let's just pick up the video, come back. Videos make great guides, right? Always. So data sources, specify YouTube, put it in, and click on create. Let's wait. Here's the article, The Ultimate Guide to Using Nescafe Dolce Gusto Machine for Dummies. There is a bit of a process explanation, then there is cleaning and maintenance, then enjoying your Dolce Gusto creation, and then bonus tips and troubleshooting. Overall, a pretty good article. There is even an excerpt written and tag selected. So when you post your article to your blog, all of that will be happened. All of that will be carried over. Now, I noticed that it's actually pointing, the link is pointing to Quillaio. Maybe something happened in there. Maybe I didn't get something right and the links are not right, but I can expect that in your app, the version that you get, that you have access to, the link will be correct. Again, close it, it's automatically saved and you can publish it later to your blog. Let's take a look at another system comparison, and that's great. Nescafe Dolce Gusto versus DeLonghi Dedica. Yeah, now we have specified two specific products this time. So this article will be comparing these two products, trying to give users a conclusion, to give our audience a conclusion about which one is better. Again, to write an article like this, you would need to understand these two products and then write on it. So we will try to do it using AI, of course. This time I'll go for a longer word limit because this can take longer. This type of article should be longer. Primary keyword Nescafe Dolce Gusto. Secondary keyword DeLonghi Dedica. Okay, and again I'm gonna put in my link. We won't be adding any authority links. We won't be trying to add images. Now again, you can put in your images manually. I have opened the Amazon links for these two products. I'm going to use them and you can grab the images from here perfectly fine. Now the data source, this time let's use Amazon. So this is the first product. Copy it over. This time specify URL, copy the entire URL, and typically I would say just remove the extra stuff, like the fluff is not needed. They're not going to add anything useful to the URL. I should have actually done that on Notepad before I hit the box. Let me do it now. So here's the URL. I will just delete all the extra stuff. Here we go. Okay, and this should be enough. Click on this. Then the second product, this is the Nescafe Dolce Gusto product, and delete all the extra stuff. Copy over the URL, come back, Quillaio URL, and here we go. Click on create. Let's wait. Let's take a look at this article. Nescafe Dolce Gusto versus DeLonghi Dedica, a comprehensive comparison. Pretty good title. And then Nescafe Dolce Gusto and DeLonghi Dedica are two prominent names in the world of home coffee machines. And then you have actually feature by feature comparison. On the other hand, the DeLonghi Dedica Pump Espresso coffee machine is designed for those who crave barista quality espresso in the comfort of their home with a powerful 15 bar pressure pump. Then it compares features and specifications. You can see the heading itself is pretty nice too. And again, there is a link to my affiliate site. Brewing options. Look at this. It gives you the exact brewing options that these machines have with the headings. User experience and ease of use. Again, the two products are actually compared, right? Design and aesthetics, price and value for money. Conclusion. I got to say, this is an excellent article, and you can post articles like this to your blog all day and expect some magic to happen. Because here's what you want to do, you want to go for the products that are long tail. That's where the magic is. If you're starting out in your business, if you don't have a blog that is an amazing success already, you want to start out with long tail, look for products that are not reviewed so often, and then just use the Amazon link to get a review done. It took me like 20 seconds and it's all done for me. I can just post the images in, post in my affiliate link, and that's it. How easier can it be? So this is amazing. Again, you can post this article to your blog pretty easily. So guys, now I want to tell you this product is great. It works. There's some things that you need to do manually, but that's not, there's no magic solution to make money. You have to work, and that's not a raw bad thing to put in like 10 minutes into each article and just give it some finesse, put in the correct affiliate links pointing to multiple products, put in your images. When you do all of that, that article is going to be amazing and it's actually going to get you results. Now, if you decide to get it, make sure you get it from me because I will tell you why it's the best deal when you get it from me. So I'm going to give you great bonuses that can help you. These are real world tools, not some crazy $75,000 bonus that doesn't make any sense. You know I'm real. So I do a job that's real and authentic. I'll give you tools that actually work. Plus, I will give you Technique Force rewards points. So you can use the Technique Force reward points to get any of my applications. So you see I have apps like CloudFunnels, Course Funnels, TubeRank, Jeep, Mighty Meme, Spinflux. And if you buy the bundle of Quillaio today from me, you will get enough reward points to get the pro version of any of my apps absolutely free of cost. You can redeem them inside of techniqueforcerewards.in. Your reward points are added automatically. You don't have to do anything. And your account is also created automatically. So all you need to do after ordering is come here, click on forgot password to reset your password, log in, and then you'll be able to get your reward points. You'll be able to view your reward points and claim the software right inside. I have a very helpful video. Hey guys, this is access to, don't have to do that, and credits it needs that you'll be teaches you exactly the entire process. A small video, only 3 minutes 26 seconds, and you will know exactly what to do to learn how to claim your reward points. So not a big deal. Now I've got a special bonus for you. Quillaio, as you know, is about blogs, about getting your blog set up, and that takes work. So here is my offer. Buy the Quillaio bundle from me, and my team will set up the blog for you on your cPanel hosting. So if you have a hosting and domain name, you just need to give us the details. We will set up your blog. We will set up your WordPress blog. We'll set up the entire thing for you. And we will also put the theme that you select. So you have to select a theme. We will install it for you. And we will connect it to your Quillaio, right? So everything will be done. You can go right inside of Quillaio and start posting. Not a big deal at all. And if you don't have a blog, if you don't have a domain and a website, that is, you don't have a domain and hosting, well, we can give it to you. It's a priced product, of course. We will charge exactly the same amount that we pay, no extra charge, or we will help you find the right hosting and the right domain name for you. All of that is inbuilt. We will assist you. We will help you set up your blog that works with Quillaio. We will make sure that you get it done, right? So that's our offer. If you don't have a blog, you don't have a blog where you're writing your reviews, buy the bundle from us, come to us, and we will set it up for you. We will do it. We'll do everything. We'll handhold you and guide you to the end of the process. That's the special bonus we have on Quillaio. Now, again, don't forget to get it from my link if you decide to get it.